When we have to subtract larger numbers, there are things we can do. Let's use the vertical method.
And that just means working down your page. Sometimes you might have a place value table like I've got here. 484 minus 352. So let's put those two numbers in. There's 484 and subtract 352. And don't forget your little minus sign just on the side there. Now if we look at our units place, 4 minus 2 is 2. We go to our tens, 8 minus 5 is 3. And our hundreds, 4 minus 3 is 1. Now that gives us 132. Did you notice that the number we subtracted each time was less than the number above in every place value column for this problem? So 5 was less than 8 and 3 was less than 4. What that means is sometimes you might solve it vertically, but you might also solve it across your page. So what that means is we can just work straight across our page. 4 minus 3 in the hundreds place is 1. 8 minus 5 in the hundreds place is 3. And 4 minus 2 in the units place is 2. But remember, when we use a place value table or vertical algorithms, we always start from the right hand side. You can do that too. 4 minus 2 is 2 in the units place. 8 minus 5 is 3 in the tens place, and 4 minus 3 is 1 in the hundreds place. So we get 132. So if you notice that you're subtracting smaller digits in each place value column, you might like to work across your page that way. Now when we do need to regroup, well, when we've got lots of numbers to subtract or big numbers, then that's a good time to use regrouping. Let's have a look at this problem. 90,732 and we're subtracting 32,081. Now it's really important that when we don't have headings or vertical lines, we make sure our digits are lined up. All of our columns are underneath each other. So let's have a look. We've got 2 minus 1 in the units place, which is 1. When we look at our tens place though, this is where it works really well setting it out vertically, because we've only got 3 tens, so we can't subtract 8. So we're going to actually take one of the hundreds, leaving 6, and rename that as 10 of the tens. So 13 tens minus 8 tens, that's 5 tens. Now in our hundreds place, 6 minus 0 is 6. And once again, we've got no thousands, but we have got 9 in the 10,000s column. So let's take one of them, leaving 8, and make that 10,000s. So one of the 10,000s is 10 of the 1,000s. So we're just moving it to a different place, renaming it. So we've now got 10 minus 2, which is 8. And in our 10,000s column, we've got 8 minus 3, which is 5. 58,651. Now, is that reasonable, do you think? Let's have a look at those numbers that we started with. We had 90 thousands and we took away 32 thousands. Well, let's round it to the nearest thousands. 90 minus 30 is 60,000. But we also took away another 2,000. So that's 58,000. So even before we look at the hundreds, tens and units, we're expecting an answer around 58,000. So that seems reasonable. Now it doesn't mean it's exactly correct, but if we had 5,865, that would be wrong, or 586,000, that would be a warning. So that does seem reasonable.